Hey everybody, this is Don Stewart here at the DS Art Studio in Birmingham, Alabama. Wanted to give you a little look around and let you see what we do here, and then there's something I wanted to show you and see if I can't get some of your feedback. Here, let's take a look. I just wanted to take a minute and show you around the DS Art Studio. This is the colorful side of the room. All these shells and waves are my wife's work. Her name is Sue Ellen Brown. She's a painter and illustrator. So if you're on the colorful side of the studio, you're in her territory. I don't do much in the way of color. I like to draw. I like to get my ideas on paper in black and white, and I use a ballpoint pen to do it. This is my catfish. It's just a kitty cat's face made out of tropical fish. Now, the other thing that you'll notice if you're here for very long is that we have books stacked everywhere. Books, magazines, all kinds of reference materials, because I have to learn an awful lot about what it is that I draw. And I'm studying all the time. Oh, there's another one of Sue Ellen's paintings. That's the owl and the pussycat. More books. I've been studying about seashells and all sorts of other nautical things for a couple of projects I've been doing for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed them. But as you see, my side is black and white. Here's a butterfly made out of tigers. It's a tiger swallowtail. And here's a house made out of tools, so it's a tool house. Right over here on the wall we've got fruit flies, flies made of fruit, and a motorcycle made of food that I call fast food. This one's probably familiar to all of you. That's my EOD crab. And here's the drawing board where I'm working on new pieces. This is kind of a silly one. It's not really military. It's kind of fake military. I'm doing this one for dentists. It's going to be a drill sergeant, all made out of dentist's equipment. But here's where I need your help. This is a picture that I've been puzzling over for quite a while, and I'm not quite sure what the next step is. I was hoping to find some people who know something about Navy divers and could help me figure out what to put in this picture. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Well, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a quick turnaround tour of our workspace here at the DS Art Studio, and to show you just a little bit about how ideas come together. We do a little bit of study and try and put pictures together and get them to stick onto paper. The thing is, I don't know enough about Navy divers to do a good Navy diver picture, and I need help. I wonder if it might be something we could do over the course of the summer, and if I could get some feedback from you folks, we'll see how many ideas that you come up with and how many of those I can fit into the Navy diver picture. Thanks so much for your help. Hang in there. We're all in this together, and we'll see how much fun we can have along the way.